My name is Alex Martin. I work in film. We set up and operate base camp. I also do picture cars. I've got a 1986 Ford Bronco full size and 4 inches of lift on it. There's a camper modification installed on the truck and I just haul that thing around with me everywhere I go. My primary purpose for towing is for pleasure and secondary for work. I'm a nomad by heart, so I stay mobile on the road. Having the camper Bronco set up allows me to travel with my circus. The camper's weight is in excess of about 1,200 pounds empty. I had a little bit of a squat and some body sway issues in turns, so I was looking to upgrade to hopefully mitigate all of that. I stumbled upon an advertisement for RAS on Facebook a couple years ago. At the time, it intrigued me, but I wasn't ready to make a purchase. A couple years go by and I see the advertisement again. It was the right time, so I went ahead and did it. I was considering other alternatives to RoadActive, such as airbags. The reason I chose RAS is pretty simple. In nature, this system is mechanically based. There's less points of failure. It works for me. The ride has changed significantly since the install, except beforehand, I'd have a lot of body sway, squat and bounce when I was crossing trails, ruts, or just bad roads. And now with the install of the system, all of that is mitigated. I have control of the truck a lot sooner. I feel better taking curbs. The overall drivability has just greatly improved. I think my favorite part of the install was getting my ride height back to a good stance. I got about 2 inches back of lift in the rear. You wouldn't think just adding a couple extra pieces of hardware on your leaf spring would give you back control of your truck. It's really impressive to me. I have not needed any adjustments after install. It was put in, it was set, it was lowered. I took it out for a drive and it was perfect for me. It's simple, effective, and efficient. I would absolutely recommend this to anyone who was hauling or towing because it's not invasive. It's super simple to install, it's affordable, and you would honestly be silly not to give it a try.